Good morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to solve the question number 7 of the exercise 1.4. Okay, so the question number 7, it says that if a is equal to x such that x is a natural number, b is equal to x such that x is an even natural number, and c is equal to x such that x is an odd natural number, and d is equal to x such that x is a prime number. So this a b c d sets are given to us in the set builder form, and we have to find a intersection b, a intersection b, a intersection d, b intersection c, b intersection d, and c intersection d. So to solve this question, first we have to find what are the elements which fall under this set. Okay, that first we have to find out, then finding the intersection and union will be easy. So now first see which are the elements fall under the set. Now set A is given as, okay, set A is given as here x such that x is a natural number. Now we all know that natural number, it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay, then moving to the next set, b is equal to, what is given, b is equal to x such that x is an even natural number. Okay, so we know that even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2. Okay, so even natural numbers will be 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Okay, I'll close here. Then next set, c is equal to, what it will be, c is equal to, they have asked x such that x is an odd natural number. Now odd natural numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2, so they will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. Then again d is equal to, what is the last set we want to find out, d is equal to x such that x is a prime number. Okay, now prime numbers are those numbers which are only divisible by itself and by 1. Okay, so now 1 is not a natural number, 1 is not a prime number because it is only divisible by 1. Okay, it is only divisible by 1 and itself is also 1. Okay, so it is not a prime number, 1 is not a prime number. Then 2 is divisible by 1. Okay, we can divide 2 by 1, that it will give 0, and it is also divisible by 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2, it will give, it is divisible. Okay, so but in case of 1, in both the cases we are having 1 only. Now here 2 is divisible by 1 and 2 is divisible by itself, so we are getting two different number, so two different criteria should satisfy. Now here for 1, only 1 is satisfying both the criteria, so it's not a prime number. So here 2 will come, 3 will come, okay, so 5 will come, okay, then 7 will come, 8 will not come, 9 will not come. Why? Because it is divisible by 1, it is divisible by itself, and it is also divisible by 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9, so it will not come. And 11, then 13 will come and so on. Okay, so these are the prime numbers. Now once this is done, now it's very simple. Now first thing we have to find is a intersection b. Now let us see what are the common elements to a and b. Here we can see that the common elements to a and b are 2, 4, 6, then 8 will be there and so on. Okay, all even natural numbers are the common to both a and b. Now the next question is a intersection c. Now a intersection c, now to here and here the common elements is 1, then 3, 5, 7. Okay, this will be the a intersection c. Now moving to the third question, a intersection d. Now in a intersection d, what will be the common elements? Let's see. So it will be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. Now remember that a is our natural number, the whole natural number set. Okay, and we are finding the common with d. Okay, so this set will only come. okay, because this is a bigger set, it will contain all these elements. So when we will take common elements, so this set only will get. Okay, now next is B intersection C. Now here it will be fun. Now B intersection C. Now this is our B and this is our C. Now we have seen that B are the even natural numbers and these are odd natural numbers. So we know that both of them are different and there are no common elements in even and odd. So here it will be empty set. Now next is B intersection D. Now B with D. Now here what you will get? 2 we will get common, then 3 is not there, okay, 5 is also not there, 7 is also not there. So only common element in B intersection D is 2. Now next, the last one is C intersection D. Now C with D, when we will take it common, what it will be? 1 is not there, 2 is also not there, 3. Okay, so 3 will be there, 5 will be there, 7 will be there, then 11 will be there, then 13 will be there, and so on. So this is about the question number 7. Okay, so if you all have any difficulty in this question, okay, then you all can post your queries or comments in the comment section. I'll answer. Okay, and also like my video and subscribe to my channel to motivate me. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you all in the next video.